Come test drive the 2014 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, rear all-season, tires, rear performance, wheel covers, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.